Right.
Well, we're doing it anyway.
We're under a boat, hiding from Sarah and Ashley. We're on a boat that we found upside down on the beach.
So we're watching messages.
With coal.
How's that for me?
There's a lot of messages.
It says, call me.
And you call me on a random number. Ola. It's the beans.
No.
Guess here. Fart. Turd. Yeah, very nice. And you just got a crack in it. Vicky and Jess. Schweppes. Alice and Kelsey, I like that. Then the goblins did it. It says, what's that mysterious ticking noise?
Hi.
JKV.
Hi.
Vicky.
Hi.
Vicky's on. Vicky next. I can't see you. There's people. Catherine. We're gonna see if we can see you. We can't see Sarah laughing. There's another boat. We've got a graffiti everywhere. You can't really see it. There's a split down the side. Did we do that one? Sorry. Hopefully no one uses an eggshell. Me and Kelsey came here earlier when we came across on the boat, and then Ash and I went back to get the others, and we hid in there, and we spied on them, and they didn't notice. And now we can't see Sarah and Ash now.
Oh yeah, we can, isn't it?
Shine the light at them. Is that them? You think you see them?
Yes, we can. That's them.
The thingy, can you see that? That's a little white dot.
What about that? That's their light.
I think they've seen us. I think they're shining a light.
Oh.
You better go. We're not here. Mum, that's drawing. You don't look like it.
Ow!
We can't get out there. We have to wait for them.
Help! Help! Mommy!
Well, Sarah, look, I'm gonna make a handprint in the sand, which you can't see.
Ow!
Yeah.
Help! We're stuck!
I can't breathe! I think that Sarah's in a stressful. We don't know why though, because it's not like we're being childish or anything. Running along the beach. I just started. Seaweed. Empty a ton of sand. There's Ashlog, the captain of the mighty fine vessel. Our ship's called the Pally White. Sorry. And our boat is over there.